Hey guys, it's pouring down rain outside here, but I wanted to show you these three larger containers, especially this one, which I just love the coloration on. The hibiscus is of course not in bloom, and this Tradewinds hibiscus down here has bloomed. Absolutely love that color combination. As I said, it's really pouring down rain outside, and I do need to tell you, I did receive those Tradewinds hibiscus for free in exchange for my honest opinion. Of course, all opinions are my own. And it was so hot here today. They actually had warnings out for animals and people. And I did put the poultry out because I thought it was cooler for them outside than inside. Of course, they got some fresh, cool water from the house. I did not take it from the faucet today. I went ahead and went in the bathroom and took it from the house.